to address the issue of language settings in Instagram, particularly when encountering difficulties with messaging due to language preferences. There are several steps you can take to resolve the problem. Firstly, it's essential to navigate to the Settings menu by clicking on the three dots located on the Profile page. Within the Settings menu, locate the option for Message Control, which allows you to manage message preferences. Ensure that both parties involved have compatible message delivery settings selected. This may involve adjusting settings such as delivery request preferences. If encountering difficulties persist, consider updating the Instagram app to the latest version, as software updates often address bugs and glitches that could be causing the issue. If the problem persists despite updating the app, consider reaching out to mutual contacts or friends who may be able to facilitate communication between you and the other user. Alternatively, if mutual contacts are unavailable, explore alternative methods of communication within the Instagram platform. This could include responding to stories or leaving comments on posts as a means of initiating conversation. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve language-related messaging issues on Instagram, ensuring smoother communication between users.